UNICEF, we believe that every child, everywhere, deserves to be healthy, educated, and protected. That's why we're working in 190 countries to deliver for children in crises and beyond. We're in communities before, during, and after disaster strike, working with governments and partners while connecting humanitarian efforts with long-term development. Last year alone, we responded to emergencies in more than 100 countries, reaching tens of millions of children with life-saving services and supplies. We delivered over 1.6 billion polio vaccines that helped reduce global polio cases by 68% since 2022. We provided over 17 million people with basic sanitation, over 34 million people with safe water, and more than 15 million with basic hygiene. And we provided support for 6.5 million children with disabilities. Behind every single number is a child with hopes and dreams. We know what it takes to save and improve the lives of children impacted by conflict, by hunger, and by poverty. As a global community, we must come together to reach the millions more who still need our support. It will make the world more prosperous, more peaceful, and more stable for everyone.